ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Yeah, man. What you say? Dr. Ross in the building.
We're gonna start off for today with a quick shout out to Waylon at Anvil Tattoo. He's one of the best tattoo artists, and look out for the dragon
In the world.
That's right, Dr. Ross, because he'll get you tatted up.
That's right.
Now, we're not old enough yet to get tattoos or piercings, but when we get old enough, you already know what's going to be happening.
That's
because
right.
Our managers and publicists have tattoos, and they've gotten them from Waylon, one of the best in the world.
That is right. And speaking of piercings, we're going to talk about my girl right here for the piercings in Addison, Texas. Miss Sherry, you can get this, and, you know, I'm not old enough yet, but I will be getting my nose pierced. I'll be getting hooked up by this ma'am, this wonderful, wonderful lady. She will hook you up with the piercings in Addison, Texas.
At Cat Tattoo.
That's right.
So remember, guys, if you're looking for the major piercings, go to Cat Tattoo and look out for the devil. And if you're looking for the most best tattoos in the world, go to Waylon at Anvil Tattoo. Look out for the dragon.
That's right.
But we're going to get into our hot topics for today. We're going to keep it short and sweet, starting it off with, what's our first topic, Dr. Ross?
So our first hot topic is, you may know if you've been watching Wendy Williams for the past week or so, 2 weeks. So Wendy Williams has been off the air, and let me inform you why she's been off. Recently, she's been going through some ongoing health issues. We know what that is. And so she says that she's going to be canceling all show promotions until September 20th, when she will finally be returning to her chair. But you already know, IK and I, we can fill the spot. Instead of you playing these reruns over and over with old topics, IK and I got you hooked up for the current recent events.
That's right, Dr. Ross. And also, Wendy, we just hope that you don't go out there on Halloween night going, so today's hot topics are, and then falls over.
That's right. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Our next hot topic is with J-Lo and Ben Affleck. They're apparently turning heads during the red carpet return.
I heard about this, and this is going to be a thumbs down. J-Lo did look good, though. I liked her white dress. It was a little bit too low of a cut, but I still think she looked good.
Well, J-Lo's doing that to get back at A-Rod. She's trying to be scandalous now.
Kissing all over Ben Affleck, and people are saying that this is when they reunited their flames, and that this is going to be their first appearance since reuniting it in the red carpet. But speaking of red carpet events, we do want to mention that Zendaya said that she's not going to be appearing to the 2021 Met Gala this year for all of the interesting fashion, where, you know, all the stylists come out and they really hook up these celebrities. She said she's not going to be appearing because she's too busy with work. That means Zendaya's getting hers, she's getting the bag, and IK and I will be there soon, Zendaya. We'll see you on the screen, Zendaya.
That's right, Dr. Ross. But we're going to get into our final hot topic for today we're going to talk about Miss Amelia Hamlin and Scott Disick. So,
yes.
A lot of people have been saying that Scott Disick is too old for Amelia Hamlin. I actually think the opposite. Amelia Hamlin is too old for Scott.
That's right.
Because
Scott is too busy playing on the playgrounds,
and Scott had all the chances. Scott had Kourtney Kardashian. He had Sophia Richie. He had Amelia Hamlin. And all those chances, he just gave it away.
True. And you know what? Kourtney Kardashian really reminds me of a phoenix, because she is burned to ashes, and now she is a whole new person. She's a whole new woman, and Travis Barker is only making her a little bit stronger. I don't know. I think she's better without Scott. And you know, Amelia actually came out recently on an interview, and she said since her breakup with Scott Disick, she feels relaxed and relieved that she's finally away from him. So Scott, you know what? We're hearing the same responses from all the girls after you getting left. So you might need to up your game a little bit.
Exactly. You know, Dr. Ross, we were reaching out to Scott Disick on his mail and Instagram, trying to help him with his life. But Scott Disick, you didn't take the chance. You didn't learn from the International King's book, and now look at you.
You're sad and gone. You know, I did think he had something with Sophia Richie, though. That was a little bit coming down, but that was also a down thing because you were still stuck over Kourtney.
But Dr. Ross, if you wanted Kourtney so much, you just stay at the house. But Scott, if you wanted Kourtney so much, stay at the house instead of staying at the bar getting drunk at happy hour.
That's right.
But guys, these were all of our hot topics for today.
And right now we are in Frisco, Texas, the Cowboys Training Center. It's right behind us, the Ford Training Center. They're going to be coming back here, and before we mention that, we also want to mention the orange cones over there. That is where Jerry Jones comes back in his helicopter. And yeah, so you already know the Cowboys are coming back from Tampa Bay. Sadly, they lost against the Buccaneers, but I do want to say Dak Prescott tried hard with his injured leg. He tried hard, and he really went out there.
And, you know, that's all about it. You have to go on, you have to put your 100%, but Dak Prescott still got a bad loss to me. Even if it was by 1 point, he still lost.
But Tom Brady, congratulations on another win. Tom Brady said he's going to be going through this season, and he really hopes that he's going to be winning another Super Bowl. So we're going to be watching out for that.
And he says he's going to win all 14 games.
That's right. So we'll see. 17.
Or 17.
So we'll see what happens.
But we'll see you guys on the next episode. And before we close it off, we want to say one more time, make sure to visit the Dragon Waylon at Anvil Tattoo.
And Miss Sherry's Piercing in Addison, Texas.
At Cat Tattoo.
That's right.
Remember, if you want the greatest and the best tattoos in the world, then you come to Waylon at Anvil Tattoo. And if you want the best piercings, you go to Miss Sherry at Cat Tattoo.
Addison, Texas. And McKinney, Texas.
Exactly. But we're out.